How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. This is the Bob and Brad T2 massage gun. I reviewed a lot of massage guns so far and they seem a bit commodified. What I mean by that is that the functionality of all of them seems very, very similar. There are slight differences with the heads that it comes with. Most of them have a little pointy one, a little ball one, or a little cushy thing, and even a little split fork to massage around your bones. Earlier ones might not be charging via USB-C. It has a barrel connector. And if you compare the massage guns, the feature that you need to look for is what is the throw. The farther it can push means when you're massaging yourself, it would push in that much further. This one in particular is 10 millimeters and they go up to like 15 or 17 millimeters. It says it has 40 pounds of force. So let's see. Before it stops, 40 pounds? I don't know if that's 40 pounds. Let me use my right hand, it's stronger. This level of pushing, 25 pounds, I'd say. 30 to 50 dB of noise. Can you guys hear it? It's not whisper quiet. You can definitely hear it. 4 amp hour battery. What is that? What does that translate to in terms of runtime? About 2 to 5 hours or so. Even if I'm super sore and I just have to keep at it, I think the most I ever did was like a 30-minute session. So it's nice it can work for 2 hours because the battery can degrade after you use it for many years. 25 watt high torque brushless motor. I like the sound of brushless motors because when you have a brush, it actually wears out. Brushless motors requires more electronics to run. It's generally in the more high-tech type of electronic devices. Let's see if I can take this apart so I can show you what's inside. Let's take a close look at the massage unit. When it comes out, yeah, that's about 10 millimeters. On-off button right here. Speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like a speedy suction cup sound. Down here is the battery indicator. It looks like it's halfway charged. This is a bundle that comes with the USB-C cable. You need at least a 2 amp USB charger. I have a power meter here. Let's charge. Looks like it's topping out at 7.5 watts. You got this fork that can go around your bones. It's just a very lightweight foam ball. There's a blunt plunger type of thing, a pointy plunger type of thing, and a rather squishy one, so it's a little bit more pliable when it hits you. Got the USB-C cable, and an extra rubber grommet thing that goes on each of these heads. Grommet things I have to remove to get to the screw holes. You don't own it until you open it. I'm not sure if I need to open this or not, actually. I knew there's a screw right there because it can't be held close with just 2 screws. And then probably this thing pops off, maybe? All right, 2 more screws here. Oh, there we go. I didn't realize this was actually a vent. The motor gets hot, so hot air needs to come out. Oh, look, there's like a little piston thing. That's why I could just kind of move it by hand out here with a little bit of effort. Let's attach one of the heads. Let me turn it on and see. I'll slow it down so we can see the piston action. There's a counterweight so it doesn't cause much vibration going back and forth. And all the motor is doing is spinning. And this piston changes the spinning motion into a forward and back motion. There are 2 giant lithium ion batteries that are 4 amp hours each in here. So that's why it's this 2 circular shape. When you put those together, is this handle. I like the quality of how the circuit board looks and also the vibration isolation in these 4 points. That's to isolate all the electronics away from the vibration of this moving motor over here. There's 1 little bearing here and 1 big bearing here. And this one is a 608Z bearing from C&U. I have to use it, right? To me, there's not much difference between this one and other massage guns. I know the really small ones, they feel a little weak. The percussion movement is much shorter, so it doesn't feel like it's massaging as deeply. This is reasonable enough, I think. And then you can always do, hello, I got it all put back together. So that's good. If I put my lips next to it, I can feel little puffs of air coming out of this little vent hole. It seems like there's also vent holes right here and on either side. Thanks for watching this video. Check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. It doesn't cost you more to use those links, but it will help out this channel. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Until next time.